Hello, dear friends. We are going to work on a pair of earrings. This is the first attempt. I like it so far, but I want to make some changes for this one and see if it works better. For this one, I use all 15. For this one, I'm thinking I am going to add some 11s to see if it covers a little bit more. I have 57 inches of thread. And a needle that I'm using is size 12. These materials you can get on my website, also on my TikTok shop. So we are going to start by picking up 111.0. I'm gonna leave like a little piece of tail, pick up 111.0, and then 15 delicas. And then one more 11, so 111, 15 delicas, and 111. Bring them down, sew through the top hole on the other side, and we gotta be careful with our thread so we don't damage it a lot because these metal parts can be sharp. So this is the first thing, okay? So now I'm gonna flip it and we are gonna pick up 111 and 15 delicas. So since we add this one at the start, so we're just going to sew through that one like this, and we are going to pull. So this is what we have right now. Grab 111, our thread is exiting from this side of the 11. We are going to sew in a reverse direction like so, and we are going to pull. We want to pull like this. We are going to sew down through the 11 that we just add. We are going to pick up 14 delicas, so 14 and 111 like this, and we are going to sew down through the second hole across, and this is what we should have. So we flip it, we're gonna pick up 111. We can sew in a reverse direction through this one like this. We are going to sew from under in a reverse direction so we can continue and pick up 14 delicas, and we need 111.0, and we are going to sew down through the second hole across. I'm gonna flip, and we are going to sew through all of these ones because if you remember this one we haven't attached it, so we're just gonna sew through all of these ones. Make sure you don't skip any. We can grab an 11 and sew through this one in a reverse direction, and we can sew down through that 11 that we just add. I hope I'm not getting out of the camera, it's so hard. And then we're gonna get 13 delicas, and we are going to grab 111 and we are going to sew down through this hole like this. Pick up 111 and sew in a reverse direction through this one. and then in a reverse direction through the one we just add, and we're gonna pick up 13, and we need 111. We're going to sew through the hole across, and right here, let me see if this one is attached. Yeah, this is not attached, so we are going to sew through all the beads. Make sure we don't skip any. So we are going to pick up an 11, sew in a reverse direction. We are going to sew back through the 11 we add, and now we are going to grab 11 delicas and 111 all, and we are going to sew through the last hole. So we are going to grab 111 and sew in a reverse direction through this one, and we're going back through the one we just add, and we are going to grab 11 delicas and 111, and we're going to sew through the last hole. This one is not attached, so we gotta sew through all the 15s. Make sure you don't skip any, and through the 11. Grab 111, and we are going to sew down through the next 11. Like this. We are going to sew up through the 11 across, and we are going to pull. We are going to sew through the 11, down through the 11, up through the next 11, grab an 11, down through the previous 11, up through the next 11, grab an 11, sew through the last 11, we pull, and then we are going to sew through the 11. So we sew through this 11, and now we are going to sew through all of these beads so we can get to the other side. So we are going to sew through the 11 as well, and we are going to repeat what we did over here. My thread is exiting from here. I'm gonna come on this side, and I'm going to pick up 115, 1 3mm, and 115, and I'm going to sew up through the bead across. We're gonna grab at 11, and we're going to sew down through the 11 and the 15 across. I'm going to sew through the crystal, and we're gonna sew through the 15, the 11, and sew through the 11, up through the 11, pick up at 11, and we're gonna come down through this 11 across. Okay, like that. So we are going to sew through this 11 up through the 11 and up, and we are going to pick up another 11 like this. So through the 11 up through the 11 one more time through the 11 down through this 11. We are going to sew through these beads right here, and we don't want to skip any. So right now we are going to sew through the 11 on top. Boom. And we are going to pick up 111, sew down through the 11 like this. We are going to pick up another 11 and we are going to sew up through this 11. And right here we are going to pick up 115, 3 millimeter, and 115. So we sew through this one, and we are going to sew through the 11 and sew down through the 11 and the 15. Through the 3 millimeter. Down. We're coming out of the 15. We are going to pick up 10 15s, teardrop, and 10 15s. 10 more. And we are going to sew through this 15 and through the 11 like this. Through this 11. I'm not sure if I was at a camera, but what I did is I sewed through this, the 15 and the 11. Through the 11. We're sewing down through the 11 and the 15. We're gonna pick up 10 15s. So we sew through the drop. And 10 more. And we are going to sew through these two. all you have to do is reinforce, and there you have a pair of earrings. They're super easy and they look super cute. I hope you like this tutorial. I hope it was easy to follow along. If you like my videos, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Until next time.